I run a quaint little bakery in downtown Vancouver, and I've learned the hard way that in today's digital age, your online presence can make or break your business. One day, after a customer left a negative review about our service online, I noticed a dip in our daily sales. That's when I realized I needed to take control of our online reputation. I started by ensuring we were proactive about our online reputation management. Every morning, I now monitor what people are saying about us on social media and review sites. I respond promptly to feedback, thanking customers for their praise and addressing any criticism with offers to make things right. We also started encouraging satisfied customers to leave reviews, which helped drown out the occasional negative voice. This proactive approach has transformed our digital footprint. Positive reviews have begun to outnumber the negatives, boosting our visibility in local search results. Foot traffic increased, and with it, our sales. It wasn't just about damage control, it was about building a brand that customers trust and love. After seeing these improvements, I decided to take it a step further. I contacted RepHaven, a company known for its expertise in online reputation management. Their team has been invaluable, providing tools and strategies that have not only maintained but enhanced our online image. Now, more than ever, my bakery is thriving, all thanks to taking the initiative in managing our reputation online. If you're a small business owner looking to grow, I highly recommend you give RepHaven a call. They could be the turning point for your business, just like they were for mine.